Welcome back on Ashuri TV. Ashuri TV is an online college where we provide electronic courses in basic electronics and advanced electronics. In this video today we are going to teach you how bonding machine work. First of all, bonding machine is electromechanical machine that used to repair a panel of TV or TV screen. That machine is used to bonding a ice cuff with a screen, When any screen, TV screen has a problem of ice cuff, this bonding machine is able to repair that one. It has a camera used to see if the connectivity of ice cuff and the PCB of the screen is well connected. That camera will show you how it works and how to bond in general, how that bonding machine works. In this video we are going to show you how to bond ice cuff with a PCB of a screen. Follow this video to see more about bonding machine, how it works, and we will also give you different video to show you different working place of how bonding machine work. You will know more when you continue to follow this video. Don't forget to like, to share, and make sure that you subscribed, because when you subscribe you'll be updated by any video that we upload. Thank you.
This is a bonding machine. You see that in this back camera, you see that this camera is viewing on the ice cuff. You see these connectors to link them. You use this camera to see where, after matching the ice cuff with the PCB, you see that it is linked well. Use the head to see if it's in a good position. You see, check whether is well positioned. Then after you have to bond. You push on bonding button, then you have to wait some seconds. You see that temperature is increasing. It works automatically. What you have to do is to check by using camera whether is well positioned. You see this head is pushing down in order to link together that ice cuff with the PCB. Is bonding now, is in bonding position. That is ahead. You see that temperature is start to decrease. Then after it will release. Thank you for watching.